Welcome guys to another video. I'm Nair, and this video is a chug video. Long-awaited chug I've been wanting to do for so long. It's finally here. I'm pretty sure I recorded this, and I thought it was a different recording, and I deleted it. I should have made sure. I'm pretty sure I did the chug, but yeah, I think I deleted the footage, so I'm gonna have to redo it here. I'm gonna try to do it. So I did Purple Thunder, and now I'm doing Baja Blast. I don't know where to find the Baja. I will be doing Baja Gold soon, but I haven't tried Baja Mango. I don't know where that is. I haven't found it, but. And there's another Mountain Dew that's a Casey's exclusive that I'm gonna review and chug. I also have another review of a different soda. Not gonna spoil it. Hopefully I'll do that sometime over the weekend, and I will post it probably some whatever. But let's get into the chug, and yeah, let's get into it. Baja Blast. I'm kidding. Baja Blast. Probably one of my favorite Mountain Dew flavors of all time. No kizzy. This just came out of freeze, so it's gonna be so cold, bro. I have a new technique, though. It's not about speed. It's about getting it finished. I'm gonna try to stop going really fast. Yeah. Because that's how I always lose and I burp. I get built up stuff in my stomach and it hurts and I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So I'm gonna take it a little bit slower. I always do take it pretty slow, but I always try to like really go in. And I do take the drinks, but I'm gonna try to be strategic. This is so good, bro, honestly. I'm gonna try to make this one a W. I haven't had I'm not getting any stomach pain so far, so far so good. Oh. Am I turning Asian yet? No, I'm kidding. Yes, that is a closed eyes joke, slant eye joke. Sorry. But it's almost done. So yeah. I feel like there's something in my foot, bro. Yeah, I'm starting to get a stomach pain a little bit. Like, I can feel the pressure. The real pressure. I would do it, but I'm not trying to mess up the camera angle I already have, because I could just tell it's lower. It's almost done. Like, literally, it's like it's right here. It's almost done. I feel like a bubble of air is forming in my throat soticles. No. I think I might have found the way to not burp. This is technically still chugging. It is, because I'm like chugging. I consider chugging just finishing a whole drink in one go. Like, you're not like leaving it and whatever. You're just You're just downing it. Whatever. Oh no, I feel a burp coming. I've learned drinking doesn't help, it makes it worse, but I can't do anything about it. I act like I'm hyperventilating or something. I don't know. I've never hyperventilated and I don't really want to. But yeah, let me finish this. No sussy here. That was not real. You didn't see nothing. Empty. Now I'm gonna wait for at least 30 seconds or so I don't just end the video and then whatever. I'm gonna hold 30 seconds. So there's a little time for it to whatever and try to hold my burp down. I think this is a W. Straight W. Hopefully that's not a gang sign. It probably is, honestly. Everything's a gang sign. This is too, I don't know. But taking a W, no L, bro. No L today. Well, that concludes this chug. Baja Blast is conquered. By the way, I actually want to say something in this video. If you want me to do chugs, like redo chugs that like that I failed to try to redo them to win, I'll do it. But that's if you want to. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share it to at least one friend, comment down below, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.